Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you my first week of my October daily, and so let's get started. So this is what it looks like. I originally put this on the front and I really didn't like it, so I took it apart and put it here. So this is the first page. I have a tutorial on prepping the album, so if you guys want to see how I made this, I'll link it below. So this is the opening spread, and then I did kind of like a little introduction, so I'll read it out to you guys. It says, "Hello October, my old friend. We are once again reunited, although it felt like you crept up on me this year. I am now ready to welcome you in all your beauty with open arms. In this season of my life, a lot is afoot, and as the seasons change, so do I. October is all about doing the things I love, watching my favorite movies, embracing my creepiness, burning my favorite scented candle," which I realized was a typo, "and letting my spooky flag fly. I love and cherish this time of year, and I want to hold on to these 31 days as close to my heart as possible. Cheers to another spooky season. May this month bring new beginnings and lasting treats." And then this is an actual selfie that I took on the 4th, I think it was, or the 3rd, but I really like it, so it's like kind of like my opening page. So this is the second, and this is the first, so it kind of doesn't go in order, but that's okay. So this is the 1st of October. So it's a foggy morning and I snapped this picture and it looks really cool, and I'm using a sticker exclusive collection that I designed for my Patreon. I'm having a spooky extravaganza this year, and part of it was an exclusive mini collection that I designed, which includes this card as well. I love it so much. So this is the first, and then I just did some things because I'm starting a new job. So then the second is on this page, and this is just documenting my favorite, I actually have it right next to me, my favorite tea. I got this last year on Tuesday morning. I've been drinking a lot of it this season. I'm almost finished the pack, but that's okay. So it says trick or treat. A lot of the stuff here is from the Hey Pumpkin collection. There's like some of the residue from the tea in here, but that's fine. So it was also really cold, so I'm just using a space heater to heat up my feet, and I just journaled about that here. Tea bag that I kept, and this is a little tag from the tea as well. So this picture was taken by one of my rebels, April Olander, and she took this photo of my collection that she cut and printed, and it just looks so perfect. I love this photo so much, so I asked if I can put it in my October daily, and she says yes. I still have to do the journaling about it, but this is a sneak peek at what this collection comes with, and this ghost is part of it too. This paper is from, I think, my Radical Love collection, so yeah, I like to use my stuff as well. It's mostly an orange and black album, but I'm mixing in some purple and pastel as well. So then here I'm just documenting my new mug. And this is October 3rd, so it's so fitting because we watched Hocus Pocus this day. So let me just take it out. So this day I decorated my room. I started decorating. I did a bunch of other work and stuff, but I just didn't document that. So here my 3 kitties are sleeping on my bed. So I wrote cute kitties line up in a row. Started decorating my office for Halloween, and what I'm doing is I'm typing them out on my computer, and then I'm printing it on a regular copy paper, and then I'm cutting them up, and then that's how I do my journaling. So yeah, here is documenting. My friend and I, we watched, every week we get together, we have supper, we watch movies and shows and stuff like that. So this week we watched Hocus Pocus and Halloween, the Rob Zombie remake. So I'm just documenting Hocus Pocus. This is actually a photo I printed. This is artwork from Passive Juice Motel. I really love. I'm actually wearing one of their shirts now, my Beetlejuice shirt. I love their styles. And so I originally wanted to use it as a photo, but it didn't really fit the layout so well, so I cut around it, and it kind of looks like a sticker, which is really cool. So I snapped a photo of my pho, and it says, "Watching Hocus Pocus with Josie tonight. Love my pho grilled chicken soup. Yum." And this is really fun. So this is a 3x4 card from Hey Pumpkin, but I cut it out just so it says keep calm and eat. It originally says keep calm and eat candy, but I think this is so fun. I love how I did that. So that goes back in here. And I also did a throwback because this time last year I was in California, and we went to visit Disneyland, and I was so happy that we were able to do it 3 times. I love it so much. So I just did a little throwback here, and I framed the photo with this really thin washi tape from Little Bee that I got a couple years ago, and it says, "This time last year one of my dreams came true. It's always been on my bucket list to visit the Haunted Mansion for Halloween and see Nightmare Before Christmas come to life right before my eyes with all the decor. Truly magical. I will never forget." So here I went on that little walk that I documented in the first photo. This is another selfie of me. And yeah, it was a really nice fall autumn walk. Oh yeah, so it says, love my spooky look for this afternoon's walk. My secret goth heart was happy. The bats, the 'tis the season to be spooky, and the ghosts are from that exclusive collection I designed. If you guys are interested in this collection, it's available as of the $7 tier, which is a She's a Rebel tier. So this is also the 4th, and I made a pocket. So I went shopping with my mom and we went to Lush, and I took 2 of these little tarot cards. They're so cute. Unfortunately, they're in French, but that's okay. And I bought this little bubble bar. I can't wait to use it. And again, this is for my collection. This is also for my collection. I like how it looks. And then I did my journaling for that day behind here. And then my mom and I, we have a huge sweet tooth, so we went and buy some sweets. And I just, this is actually a photo I put in my Insta stories. I just took, and then here is my journaling for this day. I'm actually going to read it to you because it's about Halloween. So went shopping with my mom to the Gals. That's our like our closest mall. On the drive home, mom told me how she used to watch scary movies while pregnant with me, despite everyone telling her it wasn't a good idea. I asked her which movie she remembers watching, and she said The Man with the Knives, Freddy Krueger, Jason, Poltergeist, Ghostbusters, Michael Myers. She loved the black and white Invisible Man movie. Of course, she didn't know the correct names, but I was able to figure it out. She loved watching all these scary movies during the Halloween season. She remembers being scared at the end of Poltergeist. She is now scared to watch scary movies, go figure. We also listened to my Halloween playlist, and she even sang to Ministry's Every Day is Halloween, so adorable. And her favorite, I Put a Spell on You by Screaming Jay Hawkins, came on, which she laughed and sang along with. We both laughed together and it was heartwarming. I love my mama. So I just wanted to read that out loud because it's a cool Halloween memory, and I'm trying to do that a lot more in my albums, so add memories into it so that I can remember for years to come. And I just punched the top with a punch that I have in my stash, so it's like a cute little border. So that's the 4th, and then the 5th, there's a couple of pages for that. I finally finished decorating my 2 rooms for Halloween. So I have a collage of my office, and this is all about my office. And then this is the collage of what my bedroom looks like. So just a bunch of little decorations here and there. I really like how this page turned out. It's really fun. And then this is also continuing on the 5th. I recently discovered a new artist. His name is Youth Energy, and he created 3 Halloween prints for this year, and they're all from my favorite bands. So he created a vintage, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's a vintage themed art prints, and I'm so excited. I was really happy I was able to support them. So they have a Misfits one from the song Skulls. They have Fall Children, which is one of my favorite AFI songs and my favorite fall songs. I do have a card in my October Nights collection that says Fall Child, and it's based on this song. And then this one is from Alkaline Trio, which is another one of my favorite bands. So that was like just perfect, so I added it here. And then also that day, I tried out one of my new teas from David's Tea, which is like a specialty tea store in Canada. And so this one's called Magic Potion, and it changes color when you add lemon. So I went from like this blue black to this really fun purple. And so during that day, I packaged up some Happy Mail. Finally getting started on my Happy Mail because I have a lot of packages to ship. Thankfully, as I record this, I'm all caught up, and it cost me over $300 to ship everything. So I'm done. I'm done for the year. No more swaps, thanks. I actually still have one more swap to send out, but that's okay. There's no rush on that. Yeah, I journaled about that, and then we went and watched Joker at night, and so I just wrote, it was very entertaining, really portrays mental health issues, and I loved his dancing. But I don't know, it was an okay movie. It was interesting. The 6th and the 7th I did on the same page. So on the 6th I wrote, worked on prepping this week's 13 Days of Spooky Makes tutorials on YouTube and Patreon. Also worked on my October daily album. So all these pages were done on that Sunday. And then on this Monday, I started a little fire in my microwave. I mailed up Happy Mail, and it yeah, it was $163 just for these 2 boxes. And then I tried my homemade black bath bombs, and that's a little skull one. And then I just really like how these photos of me look. They're really haunting, and I did put filters on them. And again, there's that little ghost from my collection. So yeah, that's it. So that is my October daily for now. So this is my album. I hope you guys enjoyed this little look into my first week of October daily, and I'll be back next Saturday with another October daily, hopefully with another October daily video. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Have a spooky day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.